Hey, I see a lot of videos with folks slapping the TV on the wall with no measurements or direction of height to sitting distance view of the TV. No, don't do this. First thing to do is put the bracket arms on the TV and the wall plate with the TV facing down or upright safely. Next, get your tape measure and need you to measure the top of the TV to the bottom of the TV just to get an idea of how tall the TV is going to be on the wall. Once you do this, flip the tape measure over and measure from the top hole of the bracket to the top of the TV. This will give you an idea of where the bracket is going to go on the wall in the next step. Next, take your tape measure over to the wall where the TV is going to go. From there, you want to mark the top of the TV and the bottom of the TV and just figure out where you want to sit just to make sure the TV is not going to be too high or too low. Now, the other step from 2 and the previous step, where you took it from the bracket faceplate, now you got an idea of where the top of the TV and the hole is going to be. Great, now you know where to mount the TV correctly.